Hey guys, it's another travel vlog here, and now we are heading to Bohol. It's June 26, 2025.
Hey guys, so we just got here dito sa Alona M. Panglao. Dito yung stay namin for I think 3 nights. And magpe-freshen up lang kami. And maglalakad kami papunta doon sa The Mist, which is yung sikat na kainan dito sa Panglao. Magro-room tour tayo. Ito. Dito pala may balcony siya. Yung room. Ayan. And then nandun yung pool area niya. Tahimik naman yung place. And spacious naman yung room. Ayan. I think double bed. Double size bed. And then may table dito. May glass and pitcher for water. And then yan. Yung bathroom. So, maliit lang siya pero spacious pa rin naman. Good for 2.
We're now here at Mist Restaurant dito sa Panglao. This is 3 to 4 minutes walk. Galing doon sa accommodation namin, and dito kami magdi-dinner for tonight. Here's their menu. It's on the iPad, and you're looking at around 700 to 2,000 pesos per person if you will dine here. We ordered their pyro chicken as well as truffle pasta, which will be our dinner for tonight. And after this, we'll head back to the resort, and tomorrow is magla-land tour kami.
Hey guys, good morning. We're heading to Chocolate Hills, Bohol. It's around 1 hour and 45 minutes drive galing dun sa accommodation namin dito sa Panglao. So around 7 AM darating kami doon, mag-start kami dun sa dulo and pabalik dito sa Panglao ulit. Mini Bamban. Hey guys, so galing kami dito sa tinuturo ng Google Maps na Chocolate Hills, pero papasok kami dun sa kanto. Masyado manipis yung kanto kasi kaya nagtanong ako dun sa ate, pero yung sabi nila hindi daw doon. So ang problema, wala signal dito sa area, so much better na i-double check na lang yung Google Maps. Hindi ko alam kung ano ililitaw, tingnan natin mamaya kung ano ililitaw sa maps, pero yung sinearch ko yung Chocolate Hills, mali yung lumitaw. It's already 7:50. So malilate na kami sa mga pupuntahan namin, pero ayan, pabalik na kami. Nakadating na kami dito sa view deck nila dito sa Chocolate Hills, pero galing kami doon sa taas, bawal daw yung parking, as in bawal daw. So dito sa baba meron daw parking area, pero may shuttle naman paakyat. So titingnan lang natin, hindi kami sure kung saan siya dito, pero diretso lang daw.
We're here at the registration area. Dito tayo magbabayad ng entrance fee, and then may shuttle din dito paakyat nung Chocolate Hills. Ginawa daw nila yon to avoid more vehicles doon sa taas. So malaki yung parking space dito sa baba. You'll pay 100 pesos sa entrance, pero kasama na yon ng shuttle paakyat at pababa ng Chocolate Hills viewpoint.
Hey guys, so kakakit lang namin. Mataas yung akyatan. I mean, hindi siya ganoon kataas, pero maiksi yung steps kasi, kaya nakakapagod. Pero pagdating dito sa taas, walang tao, kami lang. So maganda yung view namin ngayon. Hindi masyadong chaotic.
We just got here at Bohol Tertiary Conservation Area. Dito yan sa Pilar, Bohol. It's on the way from the Chocolate Hills going back to Panglao. So ito na yung pinuntahan namin. May ibang tertiary conservation, I think sa Corella, Bohol. Pero since ito yung on the way, ito na yung pinuntahan namin. And for this morning, magbe-breakfast muna kami dito sa Carinderia before proceeding on entering the conservation area. Pasok dito sa entrance, nandito yung ticketing booth. It's 170 pesos. And maganda yung ticket nila kasi you can take it as a souvenir. Yung picture nung tarsier doon sa ticket.
They also have long tail measuring between 7 to 11 inches long, and they use their tail to balance during jumping. Tarsiers.
Selfie sticks and monopads are strictly prohibited dito sa loob ng tarsier conservation. And since tarsiers are nocturnal animals, natutulog sila sa umaga and gising sila sa gabi. So we need to always keep quiet kasi mai-stress yung mga tarsiers. I tried my best to zoom in the camera pero hindi talaga sila kita. Since sobrang liit lang ng tarsier, it's like malaki pa yung palm ko doon sa mga tarsiers.
Overweight dog. Ayan guys, paglabas dito, nandito yung souvenir area nila.
We're now here at Pilar Man-Made Forest. These are mahogany trees, around 2 kilometers based on my research. And this is a border between the town of Lubok and the town of Pilar. So it's on the way from Chocolate Hills papunta ng Tarsier, and then this is on the way papunta sa Lubok River Cruise. So dumaan na kami dito. We were planning to go to Sikatuna Mirrors of the World, but it's almost lunchtime, so we decided not to go there anymore and just pass by here and then go straight to Lubok. We're now here at Lubok River Cruise. I just parked here dito sa parking area nila. Medyo malayo yung napag-parkingan ko kasi as usual, it's lunchtime. So madaming tao and puno yung parking space. So medyo dulo yung parking ko. And I'm now walking sa ticketing booth so we can buy the ticket and then get some lunch. Here's their operating hours. They start from 10 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. It's 1,000 pesos per head for an adult and 412 pesos sa bata. And then their ticket has a picture as well, so you can take it as a souvenir. Was a nice experience. I'd say yung pagkain hindi ganoon kasarap, but it was a nice experience to go here, and someone offered to take a picture of us for 150 and we got it printed here. We'll now head to Baclayan Church.
So we just got here dito sa Baclayan Church. It's around 20 minutes galing doon sa Lubok River Cruise, and madadaanan naman siya pabalik ng Panglao, so dinaanan na namin siya dito para mag-take ng pictures then and to visit the church. Not sure, possibly hindi kami papasukin dahil naka-short ako, pero kahit dito sa harap lang.
Hey guys, we just arrived here at Hinagdanan Cave, which is a underground cave na pwede kang maligo sa loob. The entrance fee is 50 pesos if hindi ka maliligo, pero kung maliligo ka sa loob, it is 75 pesos.
So guys, everyone with your hands. Welcome to Bohol, guys. And we are now inside the Hinagdanan Cave, located at Panglao Island, Bohol, Philippines. Mabuhay. Ma'am, yung pag-akyat, bawal umutot ha. Delikado yung kasi ma'am. Then bawal umutot yung transfer. Therefore,
We initially decided na maligo sana kami dito. Iniisip namin bago kami magpunta dito sa Bohol. But doing some research, nakita namin na medyo madumi yung tubig because dito namamahay yung mga panike, yung mga bats. And dito sila dumudumi, dito na rin sila umiihi. So yung tubig, medyo madumi siya. So we decided not to. We'll stay here, take some pictures, and then we'll head back to Panglao. We'll go to Nova Shell Museum.
Andito na yung sulit ko na idalan. Sila guys din.
Hey guys, we just got here in Nova Shell Museum. Manipis yung daanan dito sa paloob, parang one way lang siya. Sa isang sasakyan lang yung makakadaan. And yung museum, maliit siya sa labas. Pero tingnan natin sa loob kung malaki siya. Good afternoon po. Magkano po?
We're here inside the Shell Museum. They have a couple collections of different types of shell. And medyo maliit lang yung museum dito sa loob. If you have a time to if you wanna see it, you can try to go here. I wouldn't recommend honestly kasi hindi well maintained yung museum, and then there's are just normal shells na makikita natin. So if you have a time, if you wanna go here, then you can go here at Nova Shell Museum, which is here in Panglao, Bohol.
Ang nasirang Jezebel.
We went back here at our accommodation para magbihes because we will be heading to Blue Water Panglao Resort para mag-dinner. Nag-book ako ng romantic dinner for today for my birthday.
Sige po.
While waiting, we got a glass of cocktail. Hinihintay ko pa kasing pick upin nung nirentahan namin yung sasakyan para mamaya kapag kakain kami ng dinner is hindi na ma-interrupt.
Here's my date for today.
For tomorrow, no.
Hi guys, so kakatapos lang namin mag-dinner. And iniwan ko kasi yung susi kanina doon sa counter nitong sasakyan. Kasi tinatawagan ko yung narentahan naming sasakyan, hindi sila sumasagot. So kakain na kami and iniwan ko siya doon sa counter in case na dumating sila para ma-pick up na lang nila and then i-drop na lang nila yung ID dito. But the thing is, ngayon pagkatapos namin, kukunin ko na yung ID sana, pero hindi na pinick up. So ibabalik ko siya doon sa accommodation namin, ipapark ko na lang siya doon. And dito yung narentahan namin motor. Ayan, si Relcy, yung jowa ko, siya yung magdadrive pabalik doon sa accommodation. Ayan, very demure. Let's go.
I will cut this day 1 vlog here. I will create a part 2 of this video. Thanks for watching.
Sige po.